Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales here today looking at this 2012 Kenworth T800 with 20-foot AR lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. On this particular bed, we got several options. This is set up more of the super tag style. We got the complete outside hoist, as you can see, front ladder on there with the shovel holder, aluminum tarp system, the shorty fenders on there that just barely cover the tires, you know, just did that as small as possible for weight purposes. We got the folding mud flaps. As you can see, they're folded up right now. Those mud flaps could be cut a little shorter as well to help with clearance. So as you can see there, we got a little trench gate on there, Hardox 450 steel. This one is set up for concrete chunks, so it has a quarter floor, 3/16 walls. Got a little extra light package there. Got a few extra lights on top of the bed as well. Helps at night when you're loading. We got the aluminum toolbox on there as well. The steel hydraulic tank. This one is heavy specs, 20,000 front and 46 rears. So with this 20,000 front and 46 rears, it's a little heavier of a truck. You definitely need the 20,000 front to get this bridge formula, and we strongly recommend it with this kind of gap between the bed and the cab. We'll go ahead and jump in the cab here, take a look at that. Definitely a nice truck. Just got our standard control package, mechanical controls. It's probably the most reliable control setup, but definitely nice T800 here. And this one we did the PTO right there, and we got the bed up indicator light and the PTO light right there. And you can see this one has a full gauge package. We always do that extra PTO light to make sure that doesn't get left on. This does have 18-speed transmission. Definitely a nice truck. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website and give us a call with any questions. Thank you.